The efficient and versatile ERC electric pallet stacker with capacities of up to 2,000 kilograms is well suited for storage and retrieval tasks at heights of up to 6 meters, as well as for transporting loads over long distances. Only trained persons with safety shoes are allowed to operate the truck. Do not carry other people on the forks and do not stand under raised loads. The load capacity chart provides information on the load capacities of the truck for different load centers. Make sure the red emergency stop switch is pulled up. Start the truck via the access system. As soon as the truck is ready for use, the display shows the battery charge status. Tilt the control handle towards you. Use the green rocker switch, which can be operated on both sides, to determine both the direction of travel and the speed of the truck. To steer, move the control handle to the left or right. Release the rocker switch to stop. Or brake by moving the control handle to a vertical position or by pushing it down. In tight storage areas, simply fold the side arms and stand-on platform to operate the truck in pedestrian mode. When the red body protection button of the control handle is released, the truck immediately moves away from the operator and stops. In an emergency, the truck can also be stopped via the emergency stop switch. To control the load section and steplessly regulate its lift speed, use the lift and lower buttons. The optional additional lift is usually operated via the left-hand buttons. Travel and lifting can also be controlled via the optional side touch mode. The individually adjustable travel programs and various additional options can be selected on the truck display. Other equipment options, such as assistance systems, are operated via the additional display. When parking the truck, make sure the load section is completely lowered to avoid accidents. Turn off the truck. To charge the battery, the truck must be completely switched off. Trucks equipped with a maintenance-free lithium-ion battery are connected to the charger via the quick charge socket. To charge an ERC with lead-acid battery, open the battery compartment. Disconnect the battery connector from the truck and connect it to the charger plug. The charger automatically switches off at the end of the charging process. If charging has to be interrupted, be sure to always switch off the charger first before disconnecting the truck from the charger. To maintain the battery, check the battery water level using the checkpoints. After charging, regularly refill the distilled water in the battery. To do this, connect the aquamatic hose to the water tank. The indicator in the hose indicates that the process has ended. Then disconnect the hose from the container and close the battery compartment. The truck is now ready for use again. In addition to the battery, regularly check the wheels, load section and hydraulics for damage and contamination. For a long service life of battery in truck, we recommend regular maintenance by a Jungheinrich service engineer. Any questions about the truck or how it operates? We are nearby. Please observe the safety instructions. Further important information on the operation and maintenance of the truck can be found in the operator's manual supplied.